Hello guys, welcome back. Hope you guys are doing well. A moment, please. So, welcome guys. I hope you guys are doing well. I didn't stop using guys, but doesn't matter now. Then, this is going to be a quick devlog, uh, showing what I did in those few days, and I did that much. As you can see right here, this is just a prototype level just to test if it was going to work my idea, and it didn't. I made some custom models, if you can't call that, some custom meshes, but I think I'm going to have to scrap at least those fences, because for this game, while on the current state of my idea, that's going to be a somewhat top down, isn't going to work. I also made some custom mesh for the spike traps. Let me place this right here. As you can see, this is a custom model that I did, and I made another trap. That's this one. This is the basic one that's going to push you. Okay, as you can see right here, it's going to push you. Maybe I'm going to place this in some ledge or in some place that has my poison gas or something like that. I don't know if I show you this trap right here. This is going to be one that is going to shoot some arrows. The shooting part is working, but as you can see, my projectile travels through anything. Here is supposed to be destroyed when my projectile hit the scoop, but isn't working. But this is what you call game development. You have that type of bugs. And now I'm going to show you a quick gameplay. Select viewport. Okay, let me see what's wrong. Okay. Stop. Let me delete this. Okay, save. And this, let me see right here. Okay, seems like it's working now. As you can see, I made the change on the camera to be a top-down shooter. Top-down shooter, I don't know if I'm going to shoot. I made some changes. Now instead of a health bar, we have this little counter that's going to show how much money we have. Now our health is going to be these coins, and why I said back then that this type of camera isn't going to work. I think I passed through, you guys already saw it, but I have a trap right here and isn't that visible because some of these walls, this idea of mine would work better with a 2D sprite game. It would work better because I could draw it and I could highlight it somewhat, or I don't know, but using 3D models, I don't think that this type of idea is going to work. I need to change just the way I'm going to make the level itself to make this type of game work, because I would like to make somewhat a maze. It's not a maze, but some corridors, some hallways, I think is the right word, when you are going to be directed, our flow path is going to be through those corridors, but because I am using a 3D model, I don't think that's going to work very well, at least on how I am doing. I may just need to change how I want to make my maps, and it's going to be fine, or where I want to place traps. That should work fine. But as you can see, I could place a trap right here, but it's kind of my fault right here. I could make a plate right here, right there, so you know that's a trap there. But I don't know if it would work that well. And this is what I did in those few days that I did not upload anything. Now I'm going to think a lot more on how to make the idea of this project work, because on this current state, this type of map I'm trying to do isn't going to work that well.